I got this set of mover, the C-Track 757. I buy this one for like $500 because this make a bad noise on the top end. And the guy he told me supposed to be review the motor, but I said, man, I go open and see what happened. So what I found is the bad gasket right here. The bad gasket, that's why I make very bad noises. And the other problem I found is this rod has been, so it's very easy to fix for $500. I mean, it's very cheap. Look at this, and easy fix. I just spent 20 minutes, remove that one off, and maybe I will spend another 20 minutes, put the backup on, and pretty much that's it. The Kawasaki motor on.